Hello everyone, welcome back on my YouTube channel. Today I will discuss with you about a very important app, Bitchat. Bitchat is mostly used when we are in an offline stage. This app is mostly famous and came in our existence in a CGP protest, Cockroach Janta Party protest. The protester, they are using the same app to send the message to another person. Today I want to tell you about what is the use of Bitchat, how the Bitchat can use to send the message to another person. What is Bitchat? Firstly, I want to discuss with you what is Bitchat. A peer-to-peer offline messaging application. Bitchat is a peer-to-peer offline messaging application. Peer-to-peer means your system is connected directly to another system. Your system is connected to directly another system. There is no mediator between your system to another system. Means if we are connecting one system to another system with the help of node A or node 2, there is no intervention, there is no mediator between node A and node B. It's a peer-to-peer. Now the next. Now this is the definition of Bitchat. Bitchat is a decentralized messaging application that allow user to communicate without relaying. Relaying means when you are accessing that message from one node to another node and forward to node 3 to on the internet on a cellular network. It uses a Bluetooth mesh technology. Bluetooth mesh network. What is mesh network? We have a different types of topology when we are creating the network in connection. Firstly, I want to tell you what is topology. Topology is the physical structure of the computers, in which physical infrastructure they are connected. Actually, this is the picture of mesh technology. In the mesh topology, device 1 is connected to device 2, device 2 is connected to device 3. They are not depend on a single connectivity. They are not depend on a single network. They are not depend on the single connection. They are depend on a multiple connection. They are connected with one device to another device with the help of multiple connection. A single connection is not responsible in the mesh topology. Topology is the physical structure of the network. To send message directly between nearby device, making it useful in place where internet access is unavailable or unreliable. If your network is not working properly, or your network is unavailable, or your network is unreliable, means your system is not connecting properly with. The next topic is how Bitchat work. The first is Bluetooth pair. When you're in this network, your system is trying to connect with another system with the help of network, Bluetooth network. The second, mesh form is used. Mesh topology, I have already discussed with you in the mesh topology. In the mesh topology, your system is not connected with another system on a single connection. Your system is connected with the computer with multiple connection. It's a mesh form. The next is message hop. What is message hop? Message hop means your node will access the data packets, your message packets from one node and forwards to another node. It's a message hop. We need or your message will be delivered offline. There is no need for online or cellular network. Each device in this network acts as both as a sender and relay. Relay means acts like a bridge, and there is no need for a cellular network. There is no need for a centralized server. In the Bitchat network, we have only two systems, point node 1 and node 2. There is no mediator between node 1 and node 2. Allowing message to travel across a chain of user without any internet infrastructure. In this network or in the Bitchat network, there is no need for internet infrastructure. Now the next. This is the main key features of Bitchat app. Internet free messaging. If you are sending the message with the help of Bitchat app, there is no required of internet connection. Communication without Wi-Fi or mobile data connection. The second is peer-to-peer connection. It means we have a node 1 in this technology, or in this technology we have node 1 and node 2. Node 1 is directly connected with node 2. There is no mediator between node 1 and node 2. Direct device to device communication with no middleman. There is no mediator when you are sending the data from node 1 to node 2. Third is End-to-end encryption. Messages are protected where supported, keeping conversation private. No central network. This is the major points when we are using the Bitchat application. No central server. There is no central server. It's a simple and lightweight interface with no cloud dependency. You are not dependent on any server. Your data is working privately or traveling privately. Your system is directly connected with another system. What is the advantage? Works during internet outage when your system is not, when you don't access the network, or your cellular network is not available, your Wi-Fi is not working properly, you can use the Bitchat application. Work during internet outage, stay connected even when conventional networks go down. Use in remote location. If you are in a remote location where the networks is not available properly, you can use this application. Ideal for area with no cellular coverage or infrastructure. Improve user privacy. No dependence on mobile networks or third party data collection. The fourth is ideal for emergencies. If you are facing any critical situation, or you are in a remote location, this app is very feasible for us. It's a very good or it's a very ideal for emergency critical communication tool during disaster and crisis situations. What is the limitation if you are using this app or this app network? This is the limited range, because this app is totally based on Bluetooth. The range is 10 meter. The second is communication range depend entirely on Bluetooth signal and strength. Required nearby device. Actually, nearby device will work like a bridge. They will access the data from node 1 and transfer to node 2. They are using the relay technology. Required nearby device needs other user in proximity to relay message across the mesh. Relay message means your node 1 access the data from system, you will access the data from one node and transfer to another node. It's a relay. Not for long distance is not feasible, or it's not ideal for the long distance. Without a dense mesh of user, long distance message is not feasible. You cannot send the message if you don't have the mass of users. If you don't have the large number of users, they are using the Bluetooth. If they are not using the Bluetooth, you can't send the message in the long distance. You need 10 meters. You need a particular person who is using the Bluetooth device, and it's a very easy when you are sending the data from one person to another person. Battery consumptions. Bluetooth uses draws a on device battery power continuously. Now the applications. Disaster response. Emergency and military teams coordinate without infrastructure. Outdoor adventures. Trekkers and adventurers stay in touch in a remote terrains, because in that place the cellular networks or network infrastructure is not available. Large event. If you are in a large event, all the person can open the Bluetooth. They are connected with the help of this technology, and there is no need of the cellular network. Festival and campus environment with congested network. Remote village communicate with limited or no connectivity infrastructure. Why it's matter? It's so very important. In the traditional message app routes your data through corporate server. Means we are working if you are sending the data from one system to another system, we are using the centralized server. Your data will be saved on a centralized server, or you will access your chat from the centralized server. But in this case it is, but in this app this case is not for us, because in this matter we don't have any server. Your data, we don't use any corporate server, we don't use any server, creating a single point of failure of and surveillance. Bitchat eliminate this entirely. Your message stay between you and your recipient. Security and privacy. If we are talking about the security and privacy, Bitchat is built with privacy at its core, because there is no centralized server. If there is no centralized server, your data will not be saved at any location. You will directly send your data from node 1 to node 2. Conversations and are never stored in the cloud or exposed to mass data collection. Messages are transmitted. We have some specific points to show or to describe these security and privacy points. Message and transmitted directly between devices. No centralized server stored conversation. Encryption help uh, for protect your data. Reduce risk of mass data collection compared to cloud-based messaging service. Comparison with WhatsApp, it's a very important for us. You should know about it. The first is internet required. Bitchat, there is no requirement of the internet. What if we are using the WhatsApp? We require the internet. The second is use Bluetooth. Yes, Bitchat is totally based on Bluetooth technology, but WhatsApp there is no need for Bluetooth. Central server in the Bitchat there is no need of the central server, but if you are using the WhatsApp, we need a central server. Work during internet outage. Bitchat is working properly, but WhatsApp will not. Long distance message, it's a limited because Bitchat will work on 10-meter distance, and WhatsApp will use the cellular network, Wi-Fi, or they are connected with the help of WAN. And this is the conclusion. Bitchat is an innovative offline messaging solution that enable communication without internet or mobile network. It is especially valuable during emergencies, outdoor activities, and situations where conventional communication infrastructure is available. If you are not in good network infrastructure, or your network is not available, you can use this Bitchat offline messaging solution. While it can be fully replace internet based messaging app, it provide an important alternative for local and resilience communication.